With this session update, I'm Shannon Lurkey. On a divided vote, mostly along party lines, the Senate passed a bill that would require school districts to notify parents of their right to review school curriculum, with requests granted immediately and at no charge. Here are some highlights from the debate.
With the closing of schools and distance learning, the silver lining of the whole thing is many parents got more involved in their kids' education, and that's a good thing. But as they began to hear some of what was being taught in the classrooms, they were frustrated because they didn't feel like they had a voice. And I have a copy of something coming around that shows that since 2020, 22,700 kids have left the public school system. And so what it tells me is we better start listening because they've been trying to get our attentions. Parents have been showing up at school boards across the state wanting to be more involved. And one of the things they talked about is, why don't we have access to the curriculum? Well, in statute, it does say that parents are supposed to have access to the curriculum. And so, Mr. President, this bill is simple. It simply states two things. Number one, that at the beginning of the school year, curriculum must be made available to the parents so that they know that the curriculum is available. And number two, that it's free of charge to the parent.
Let's focus on the real needs that parents are asking for: additional resources to address lower class size, to address special education.
This bill would further encourage overreaching data request demands, which are designed for no other purpose than to bury districts.
This is about trust, about encouraging partnerships between parents and educators for the ultimate benefit of the children.
If this bill gets passed, and if our school district gets one request that clearly it seems like it's an unfunded mandate from the legislature, and it's an undue burden for the school districts, that they're going to have to lay off 15 first-year teachers in order to fulfill this request.
Providing the material to a parent as already directed by state law is not a costly new mandate.
There being 37 ayes and 30 nays, Senate File 2575 does pass in its title agreed to.